Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
IBM Back-End Development Lecture 1. In this lecture, we will learn about IBM Back-End Development, that is back-end development, client-server architectures aside programming languages, back-end development tools and technologies, back-end development best practices. Conclusion. What is back-end development? Back-end development refers to the development of server-side components of web applications. These components are responsible for processing data and generating responses that are sent back to the client side, which is typically a user's web browser. Back-end development plays a crucial role in web applications, as it determines how data is stored, processed, and accessed by users. Without back-end development, web applications would not be able to function properly. Client-server architecture. Client-server architecture is a model where the client and server communicate with each other to fulfill requests. In this model, the client sends requests to the server, which processes and responds to them. This architecture is commonly used in web applications, where the client is the user's browser and the server is the application's back-end. The client-server architecture is important in back-end development because it enables developers to separate the presentation layer client from the business logic and data storage layer server. This separation allows for better scalability and easier maintenance of that application. Server-side programming languages. Python is a high-level programming language that is easy to learn and has a large community of developers. It is commonly used for web development, scientific computing, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. Ruby is a dynamic, object-oriented programming language that emphasizes simplicity and productivity. It is commonly used for web development, especially with the Ruby on Rails framework. Java is a popular programming language that is known for its portability and scalability. It is commonly used for enterprise applications, mobile development, and game development. Back-end development tools and technologies. Back-end development relies on a variety of tools and technologies to create robust and scalable applications. One of the most important is the database, which stores and retrieves data used by its application. Popular databases include MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. Frameworks are another key component of back-end development, providing pre-built libraries and tools for developers to use in their applications. Some popular frameworks include Ruby on Rails, Django, and Flask. Apps, or application programming interfaces, allow different parts of an application to communicate with each other and are essential for creating modern, interconnected web applications. Back-end development best practices. One of the most important aspects of back-end development is ensuring that your application is secure, scalable, and optimized for performance. There are several best practices that can help achieve these goals, such as using encryption to protect sensitive data, implementing caching to improve response times, and designing a modular codebase that can be easily maintained and updated. Another key consideration for back-end development is scalability. As your application grows and attracts more users, you will need to ensure that your infrastructure can handle the increased traffic. This may involve using load balancing techniques, optimizing database queries, and deploying your application across multiple servers or cloud instances. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have learned that back-end development is a crucial component of web applications that involves server-side programming, databases, frameworks, and APIs. We have also discussed the client-server architecture and best practices for security, scalability, and performance optimization. Finally, we introduced popular server-side programming languages like Python, Ruby, and Java, and highlighted their strengths and weaknesses.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.